Hello students, in this class we will discuss about degrees of comparison. This is related to adjective. For example, Rama is a boy. Rama is a clever boy. Rama is a tall boy. Rama is a good boy. Rama is a rich boy. So rich, tall, clever, these are called adjectives because they say something more about the boy Rama. For this tall, we have two degrees called positive, comparative and superlative, namely tall, taller and tallest. When the adjectives are more than two syllables, they are named as, for example, beautiful, more beautiful, beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. Intelligent, intelligent, more intelligent and most intelligent. So we have to be thorough with the 3 degrees for all adjectives as much as possible. It is possible in due course of your learning and practice. And what are the different types of degrees of comparison in English? We will discuss. First, between two equal things. Positive degree. Cotton is as light as feather. The structure is subject plus as plus adjective plus as plus noun. Cotton is as light as feather. Light is the positive degree. For this, the comparative degree is cotton is not lighter. We make lighter than feather. Or feather is not lighter than cotton. Between two unequal things, this is type 2. Yellow is not so bright as orange. Yellow is not so bright as orange. Not so adjective as. Orange is brighter than yellow. Brighter than yellow. That is adjective plus er than. And the next type is comparison between 3 and more. No other girl is as clever as Geeta. No other as adjective as. No other girl is as smart as Geeta. This is positive degree. Clever, cleverer, cleverest. Geeta is cleverer than any other girl in the class. Subject plus adjective plus er than any other noun. Geeta is the cleverest girl. This is superlative. So clever, cleverer, cleverest. Comparison between 3 and more. The positive degree is, again I take up the example, Geeta is a clever girl. We will take up like this. There are many girls who are clever like Geeta in class. In such cases, we have to say Geeta is one of the cleverest girls in the class. One of the cleverest girls. Geeta is cleverer than many other girls in the class. Very few girls are as clever as Geeta in the class. So the positive degree is very few plus as adjective, positive degree adjective as, and subject er than many others. Sometimes we can also use more than most other. It is also permissible. And again, one of the superlative degree adjective, and it is always followed by the plural form of the verb. So we can give tips like this. For first type, er than. First type, cotton is as light as feather. Cotton is not lighter than feather. Yellow is not so bright as orange. Orange is brighter than yellow. No other girl is as clever as Geeta. Geeta is cleverer than any other girl. Geeta is the cleverest girl. Very few girls are as clever as Geeta. Geeta is cleverer than many other girls or most other girls. Geeta is one of the cleverest girls. When transforming from positive, comparative, and superlative, keep an eye on the verb to. Here are two examples which explain this. Gold costs more than silver. Silver does not cost so much as gold. This is positive. Previous one was comparative. Gold is costlier than silver. Silver is not so costly as gold. The verbs do not change, only the degrees change. Arul is the fastest runner. Arul is faster than any other runner. No other runner is as fast as Arul. Arul runs the fast. Arul runs faster than any other person. Whenever er than is there, we have to remember it is a comparative degree. No other person runs as fast as Arul. So I can give like this. Again, I will give all the sentences models. I will repeat them. Kindly follow. The first one I told, Babu is as rich as Gopu. Gopu is not richer than Babu. The second one, Babu is the richest boy. Babu is richer than any other boy. No other boy is as rich as Babu. When many rich boys in the class, we have to say, Babu is one of the richest boys. This is a superlative degree. Babu is richer than many other boys or most other boys. And very few boys are as rich as Babu. So these are the three types in degrees of comparison. And when we use the superlative degree, we have to use the definite article the richest boy, the tallest boy, like that. So degrees of comparison is related with either adjective or adverb. So we have to give thorough practice in this, and by practice only we can get become master over these degrees of comparison, as we do in other parts of English grammar. All the best. Thank you very much for your patient hearing.